I said to that day my customer be call me, so I be Charlie. My love him you the Chinese system. And then my pin on the job. I talk am to Charlie Baba. Yeah, I know the we come and shop. So I did shop we come. You see exhibit. I don't trust you, so you do what if you do. Yeah, so with the Chinese thing we go change, no be big deal. Yeah, really talk me so. The bag glass you can put it crack. So if I get that, and I go make a change. Give me so Charlie. Yeah, I know the. They see make a do so I see make a G the Chinese system. I G the Chinese system finish. You know, I see make a G the bag glass. So now they G the bag glass. This is a plenty glue. The bag glass I'm going to change before. Plenty glue. So I said J finish. You know, yeah, I realize to make a J the glue. Then clean the bag glass. Come on. So I do neat. As I do finish, we are see make a J the new bag glass. We are go fix. You know, so yeah, no, they can't fix the bag glass. That's a G finish, no. We are glue the back, no. So now I fix them. We are use rubber band, tie and make it the glue well. As I finish, I fix the new charging system. So as you can see, I fix the new charging system, no. And leave the screen I go put on. So I put the screen on. It charge as you people can see, you know. The back glass, new one, this everything they need. They charge everything the job pepper. So I put for charge here. The guy come as he came. We are where the phone give up. The guy make happy. So Charlie, with my phone we make fresh like this. We are so Charlie.